How to log in into Amazon Prime Video account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Prime Video account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up browser and in the search bar, type in primevideo.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in, head towards the profile icon at the top right and hover your mouse over there. From here, click on sign in button. That's gonna take you to their sign-in portal. Here you have to log in with your account. So first of all, enter your email or mobile phone number that is associated with your account. Once done, click on continue. Now you will be asked to enter your password, so make sure to type in your correct password. Once done, click on sign in, and if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be signed in into your Amazon Prime Video account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.